So a couple of weeks ago, we got some pretty cold temperatures down here in North Texas, and it got down to the teens. And when I was changing my air filter upstairs, I noticed we only had 5.5 inches of insulation. So I went and I spent like $1,500 to beef up the insulation in my attic. So there's my attic access right there. But anyway, the point of this story is what I'm showing you here is a patch because I fell through our ceiling. And what's funny about this is that my kids were helping me, and I was showing them, make sure you only step on the ceiling joists. And so they all complied. And as we were rolling out the insulation, I lost my balance and came right through the ceiling. So what I want to do today is show you how to patch this. Now, the second fail I have on this is that this piece of drywall here that I patched, I actually cut it backwards. So this is the back side of the drywall. So I was so pissed off that I fell through the ceiling that I wasn't paying attention, and I actually cut the hole for the smoke detector. I actually cut it the wrong way, and I said, you know what? I'm so angry right now. I'm not even going to bother going and getting a new piece. I'm just going to put this piece up. It doesn't really matter because it's all going to be covered in mud anyway, because I have to retexture it as well. So. Having said that, let's get rolling on it. But let me know in the comments. Give me some of your best DIY fails. This is definitely one of my best. I've got some others, but anyway, enjoy. See you soon. Okay, so we got it patched. We'll get that sanded out. Probably have to hit it one more time. Probably a little bit of hot mud. But anyway, so hope you enjoyed my video. Talk to you soon.